Once your seedling has established itself with a few sets of true leaves, it's ready for a larger pot or even transplanting into your garden. If you live in a tropical or subtropical climate, remember, mango trees love full sun and plenty of space to grow. With a little love and consistent care, that tiny seed will one day reward you with a bounty of tropical goodness. So go ahead, give it a try. You might just surprise yourself with how easy it is to grow your own mango tree. Now for planting. Choose a well-draining potting mix. You can plant the seed directly into a pot, about an inch or two deep, with the curved side facing upwards. Keep the soil consistently moist but never waterlogged. A warm, humid environment is ideal, so a sunny windowsill or a mini greenhouse can work wonders. Patience is key here, as germination can take anywhere from 2 weeks to a month. Our journey begins with the humble mango seed. After enjoying your favorite mango, don't toss that seed. Instead, carefully remove any remaining fruit flesh. You'll then need to gently crack open the outer husk of the seed to reveal the inner embryo. This can be done with a sharp knife, but always exercise caution. Once exposed, give the embryo a good rinse. Hey, green thumbs and fruit lovers, have you ever dreamed of having your very own mango tree, overflowing with delicious, juicy fruit? Well, what if I told you that propagating mango trees is much easier than you think? Forget expensive saplings. Today we're going to dive into the simple, satisfying world of growing mango trees from seed or even cuttings.